Hey guys, this is MORGBORG here, and here with me today I've got a lot of cell phones that I purchased from eBay. This is a lot of 43 cell phones that I paid for $25 plus $14 approximately for shipping. And I've waited a little bit for this, a few days, so let's get into it. By the way, there's going to be a follow-up video to this when I test the devices. I was interested in the listing because it had some smartphones in it. Yeah, bear with me, this isn't a very good knife. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do the same thing on top. Hang on a sec. Okay, so this is the package, and it appears that it's separate pieces. I can already feel one of the thumbs. And then, ooh, this one's way heavier. This one's probably got smartphones in it, and that's it, and some empty thing. Okay, so let's tear into these. Okay, so now let's pull them out. So here's the first one. It's a Galaxy S with a little bit of crack down there. This one seems pretty nice. It's a US Cellular. By the way, the listing said that none of these come with batteries, and I'll confirm that later. There's a Samsung Virgin Mobile. I recognize this. I'm gonna see what it is. And it is an SPH M310. There's this Samsung Gusto 3. There's this Kyocera. By the way, most of these are on US Cellular. This Samsung. Okay. This Kyocera. This one's pretty weird. And this one appeared to come with the back off. And this one has a SIM card in it. Interesting. CR108. I'm assuming that's some generic phone. Yeah, there's no branding on it. Okay, this is one of the things I was interested in. This is LG. I'm guessing this is an LG Volt or something of the sort. I really hope this doesn't have a bad LCD, but we'll see about that. Okay, there's this Sony Ericsson. Seems pretty nice. This LG on US Cellular. Pretty nice. It's a VX830. Interesting. This Kyocera on Cricket. By the way, these need to be cleaned up. Excuse me. Then this Motorola. The front glass is cracked. It's an i776. Pardon me. Wow. Okay, the Samsung Tracfone. I think it's a T301G if I'm not mistaken. I don't expect that to be able to like fully work. Okay, this thing was pretty interesting. It's a Nokia Tracfone. Yeah. And then this is a 2285. And then that's all for that package. And then over here is this LG, I think 840G. then this other, oh, this is an audio box. It appears that antenna's damaged. CDM 8900 AU, so I'm assuming that means this is from Australia. And the front glass right there's missing. This Kyocera on US Cellular. Most of these are on US Cellular. I think I said that already. LG Cosmos, I have one of these already. I'm pretty sure this works. It's got the plastic wrap on it. Yeah, I watched Technomeme YT unbox a eBay phone lot, and he appeared to think this is like nail polish or something, but no, it's just plastic wrap. I'll finish that off later. Okay, this is an LG Optimus Dynamic 2. This ZTE thing. This actually appears to be a mobile hotspot. You know what? Because it's very interesting. That says WPS. So this is a mobile hotspot. Interesting. Samsung Gusto 2 have 2 of these already. I'm expecting this to work. This Samsung on Cricket. Okay, this is one of the things I was really excited about. This is a SMJ320p, which I think this is the Galaxy Soul. If you know what the Galaxy Soul is, it's the J3 2016 on Cricket. LG Revere, whatever, however it's pronounced. I'm expecting this to work. This LG on US Cellular. This one's really clean. It's a VX210. Oh, you know what? Actually, that's a UX210. I'm sorry. It's a UX210. Okay, this is a Samsung Snap. I know some of these model numbers already. Okay, gonna have to clean that up. Thing pinched me. Galaxy Express 3. Didn't test that. By the way, I also really wanted that. This Samsung on US Cellular. Don't really care to take the back off. This Samsung. There's another one of these. There we go. The back was messed up. This Nokia on US Cellular. I really like Nokias. Okay, this is a 6019i. So this seems to be pretty much an exact unit of the 6016i, except this one's in worse condition. It's way faded and such. Okay, this Alcatel thing on Cricket. I do not expect this to work because the front glass is missing. Yeah, that's pretty much a goner right there. This LG on US Cellular. I bet this works too. If I'm not mistaken, that's a micro USB charging port. Interesting. Okay, this P-Tel phone. P-Tel Ice. Not too interested in that. The Samsung SCH-R451C, have one of these. Pretty nice. This Motorola V265. Okay, this Galaxy S3 was another one I was interested in. I'm not really expecting this to work. I mean, maybe. I'm gonna check if it has AMOLED cracks. Right off, it doesn't appear to have AMOLED cracks, but I think this is a US Cellular Galaxy S3. Samsung Droid Charge on US Cellular. I think that's a screen protector. Yeah, this thing seems like it's in really good condition. Yeah, Droid Charge. Another Galaxy S3, I bet this works. Okay, this I'm not so hopeful about because of that huge crack right there. Hang on a sec. This is an LG 730. That's the model number. This custom faceplate Nokia. I won't be able to get the back off that. This Cricket ZTE phone, I bet this works. This Motorola Razr, I bet it works. And then this Samsung Freeform, I think it is. It's Samsung Freeform. Yeah, okay, so none of these have batteries, which the seller was correct because sometimes they advertise incorrectly. Okay, so that's the phone lot, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I just lined up the phones to make sure I got everything that was in the listing, and it appears I did. So that wraps up this video, and hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe, and remember to watch the follow-up where I tell you which ones work to my knowledge and which ones don't to my knowledge. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and peace out. Crazy, this is a hotspot, am I right?